Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about one of the most beautiful qualities of watercolor, the art of suggestion. When many people begin painting, they believe they must paint everything they see. Every leaf on a tree, every stone on a path, and every detail of a building seems important. We often think that more detail will automatically create a better painting. However, as we gain experience, we discover that watercolor is often more powerful when it suggests rather than explains. Suggestion means giving the viewer just enough information to understand the subject without showing every detail. Instead of painting everything, we paint only that is necessary and allow the viewer imagination complete the rest. This is one of the reasons watercolor feels so fresh and expressive. A few brush strokes can suggest a distant forest. A simple wash can suggest mist or fog. A few dark shapes can suggest people walking through a street. Even though many details are missing, the viewer still understands the scene. In fact, the painting often becomes more interesting because the viewer becomes involved in the experience. They begin to imagine details that are not actually painted. In this way, the viewer became a partner in the artwork. Think about how we see the world around us. When we stand on a mountain and look across a valley, we do not see every leaf on every tree. We see large shape, colors, and pattern. When we look at a waterfall, we do not count every drop of water. We simply experience the movement, energy, and beauty of scene. Nature itself teaches us that not everything needs to be clearly defined. As artists, we can learn from this. Instead of trying to paint every detail, we can focus on capturing the feeling and essence of what we see. Suggestion is also important because it helps create depth and atmosphere. Objects in this distance naturally appear softer and less detailed. If we paint every part of a landscape with the same amount of detail, the painting can feel flat. By simplifying distant areas and keeping stronger details in the foreground or near the focal point, we create a sense of space. The viewer eye travels naturally through the painting, making the scene feel more vivid and inviting. Another advantage of suggestion is that it helps direct attention. If every area of a painting contains equal detail, the viewer may not know where to look. Everything competes for attention. But when we simplify certain areas and place detail only where it is needed, we guide the viewer toward the most important part of the painting. This creates a stronger composition and clear visual story. Watercolor is especially suited to suggestion because of its transparent and flowing nature. Soft edges, blended colors, and unexpected effects often create beautiful passage that cannot be planned completely. Sometimes a single brush stroke says more than 20 carefully painted ones. Sometimes a simple wash creates a stronger impression than hours of detailed work. The challenge is learning to trust those simple marks and allowing them to do their job. One of the hardest lessons for watercolor artists is learning when to stop. Many paintings lose their freshness because the artist keep adding more details. We worry that the painting look unfinished, so we continue working. Yet, often the painting was stronger before those extra details were added. Learning when enough to is enough. Take practice and experience. It requires confidence and practice. The art of suggestion is really the art of trust. Trusting our brush stroke, trusting the viewer, and trusting that not everything needs to be explained. Some mystery can make a painting more engaging. Some unanswered question can make it more memorable. When viewers discover things for themselves, they form a deeper connection with the artwork. In conclusion, suggestion is one of the greatest strengths of watercolor. It allows us to create atmosphere, depth, and emotion without relying on endless detail. It invites the viewers to participate and help us focus on what truly matters. As watercolor artists, our goal is not always to paint every leaf, every stone, or every detail. Our goal is to capture the feeling, mood, and story of a scene. Sometimes a few simple brush strokes can communicate far more than hundreds of details ever could. Thank you so much and happy painting.